Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use CapCut templates from TikTok app. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. Now you have to log into your TikTok account from here. Tap on me and then you guys will find out a lot of options. If you don't have a CapCut account yet, I don't have it yet, so I'm going to log in with my TikTok account. And then you guys will find out your account. Now let's go back and open your TikTok app. In here, wherever you find a video with templates, you can save it by tapping on the love option and also on the saving option, and tap on the template and then you guys can use it. Tap on here, then it will take you to the CapCut app. Now tap on use template. Here you have to choose your photos or videos that are suggested and then select them and tap on next. Now you guys can find out the template and you guys can make the changes from here. For example, tap on audio and then you guys can put your own audio. You guys can also change the text here. For example, I'm going to change it like this. You guys can also set the duration. Now let's go back and then watch the video, and here let's export it. Tap on export without watermark and then it will be exported to your device. Here you guys can find out the video that you have exported right now, and then you guys can share it to other apps, especially on TikTok. So this is how you guys can use CapCut templates from TikTok app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.